Hey everyone. Okay, so let's begin with the adventure that I was here for. So I have this long dream of my time to just start international travel since my childhood, and now that I'm able to start it, I have chosen my first destination as Vietnam. And to begin with, it was the first day today. The first day was very exciting, and we landed in Hanoi. So the four first days will be in Hanoi, after which we'll be covering Ho Chi Minh and then Sapa probably if we have time. So basically I have traveled solo, but there are certain parts of my trip that are going to be the group ones. So I'll be sharing a few details, and also like I'll let you know, being a vegetarian in Vietnam, what are the options that you can actually vouch for. And since my arrival here, like you can see, this is the room I have been given. It's the Anise Hotel here. The trip booking is pretty easy from the different websites that we have, and you can easily book it. So there are many facilities here. You get the coffee filled up, you get the bottles filled up, you have refrigerator in the fridge. It's the deluxe room, deluxe single occupancy room it is. And there are other options available as well, which you will see as if you sign up for this one. I'll also let you know in the description what other hotels are there in the area, which you can try out. So yeah, and also there'll be like what places did I cover in Hanoi, and what was the experience, and how can you book each of the experiences, especially for the MMT. I booked it from MMT, but there are other travelers as well who use different websites, so it depends on the kind of travel you're doing. Like this was my first trip internationally, and I didn't know how to do things on my own much, so I preferred MMT since I found it was a trusted one, and also being a single female traveler, I felt it's a safer option as well. So it costed me around 75,000, including the hotel, the stay, and the air flights, and the basic places. Rest of the places which are not included in the package, I have covered myself. I have just scheduled some time for those activities which I'll be doing by myself. Rest of them are in the tour. So yeah, whatever we do from tomorrow onwards, I'll just let you know. Bye. Thanks for watching.